let's learn the meaning of 5 useful English words: trap, lack, sorrow, forgive, and forget. We'll look at what each word means, some simple examples, and how we can use them in sentences with different verb forms. These words can help you express your feelings, your needs, and your experiences in English. First, let's start with the word trap. A trap is something that is used to catch a person or animal so they cannot escape. You can imagine a box with food inside, and when a mouse goes inside, the door closes. That is a trap. But trap can also be used as a verb. When you trap someone or something, you catch them so they cannot get away. For example, the hunters trapped the rabbit. This means the rabbit cannot escape because the hunters caught it. You can also use trap to talk about people feeling stuck. For example, I feel trapped in this situation means you feel like you cannot get out of a problem or a place. Verb forms of trap are trap, present, trapped, past, trapping, present participle. Example sentences: she sets a trap for the mouse. The mouse was trapped. He is trapping birds in the forest. Next, let's talk about lack. The word lack means to not have something, especially something you need or want. For example, if you do not have enough money, you can say, I lack money. If you do not have enough time, you can say, I lack time. Lack can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, there is a lack of water in the desert. This means there is not much water. As a verb, people lack food in some countries. This means people do not have enough food. Verb forms of lack are lack, present, lacked, past, lacking, present participle. Example sentences: many students lack confidence. She lacked experience for the job. We are lacking information. Now, let's learn about sorrow. Sorrow is a feeling of deep sadness. When something very bad happens, like losing a friend, you feel sorrow. It is a stronger word than sad. For example, he felt great sorrow when his pet died. Sorrow is usually used as a noun. You do not usually use it as a verb. You can say, her face was full of sorrow. This means she looked very sad. Sometimes people say, he is in sorrow, which means he is feeling sad. You can also see the word sorrowful, which is an adjective. For example, she gave a sorrowful smile. This means her smile showed she was sad. Sorrow is not used as a verb, but sorrowing can sometimes mean feeling sad, although this is not common. It is better to use sorrow as a noun. Example sentences: the news brought sorrow to the family. There was sorrow in her heart. He felt sorrow after the loss. Next, the word forgive. To forgive means to stop being angry at someone who did something wrong to you. If someone hurts you or makes a mistake, and you decide not to be angry anymore, you forgive them. For example, I forgive you for breaking my toy. This means you are not angry anymore. Forgive is a verb. You can use it in different ways. Please forgive me. She forgave him for his mistake. They are forgiving each other after the fight. Verb forms of forgive are forgive, present, forgave, past, forgiven, past participle, forgiving, present participle. Example sentences: you should forgive your friend. He forgave his brother. She has forgiven her parents. Forgiving is sometimes difficult. The opposite of forgive is not forgive. Sometimes people do not forgive others, and they stay angry. Finally, let's talk about forget. To forget means to not remember something. If you forget something, it means you do not remember it anymore. For example, I forgot my keys at home. This means you left your keys at home and did not remember to take them. Forget is a verb. You can use it in many ways. Don't forget to do your homework. He forgets names easily. She forgot my birthday. They have forgotten about the meeting. Verb forms of forget are forget, present, Forgot past, forgotten past participle, forgetting present participle. Example sentences. Please don't forget to call me. I forgot her address. He has forgotten his password. She is forgetting things more often. Sometimes people say forgive and forget. This means you stop being angry and also stop remembering the bad thing. For example, it's best to forgive and forget means you should not be angry and not think about the mistake anymore. Let's repeat the words trap, lack, sorrow, forgive, and forget. Trap means to catch something so it cannot escape. Lack means not having enough of something. Sorrow is a deep feeling of sadness. Forgive means to stop being angry at someone who did something wrong. Forget means to not remember something. Here are some more examples to help you understand. Trap. The police trapped the thief. This means the police caught the thief so he could not escape. She felt trapped in her job means she did not feel free in her job. Lack. There is a lack of food in the city. This means there is not enough food. He lacks confidence when speaking English, means he is not confident. Sorrow. After the accident, there was a lot of sorrow in the family. This means the family was very sad. Her eyes showed sorrow, means you could see she was sad. Forgive. Can you forgive me for being late? This means you hope the person is not angry anymore. He forgave his friend after their argument, means he stopped being angry. Forget. Did you forget my name? Means you do not remember the name. She forgot to bring her book, means she did not remember to bring it. All these words can help you express many different feelings and situations. You can use them in your daily life when talking with friends, at school, or at work. To practice, try making your own sentences with these words. For example, I feel trapped when I am in a crowded place. My lack of sleep makes me tired. There is sorrow in her eyes. I will forgive you. I sometimes forget where I put my phone. Knowing these words will help you understand more English and speak more clearly. Remember, if you are not sure how to use them, look at examples and practice speaking or writing them. This is the best way to learn and remember new words. Now you know the meaning of trap, lack, sorrow, forgive, and forget, and how to use them in sentences. Keep practicing, and you will become more confident in your English.